Hey friends, this is Latif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Linear Finance. Linear Finance has broken out a very big wedge and now ready to break another rising wedge pattern on the smaller time frame. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart, and here we can see Linear Finance was moving inside this falling wedge pattern since after 27th of October. We have several ejections and several bounces by the support as well, and you can see that the price line was testing the resistance more than the support. That was a very clear signal that the price line can break out the resistance of this falling wedge. Now we can see that here right now Linear is moving in between a significant support and resistance. The support we have here at 2 cents and the resistance is at 3.2 cents. You can see that here we have rejection recently on 21st of April. Before that we have rejection at the first week of April, and before that here in the month of Feb 2022 it has been breaking as a resistance, and here as a support back in January 2022, and from December, first week of December to the mid of December, it has been breaking as a nice support here. And back here in September 2021, it has been breaking as a support here in June and in May 2021 as well. Therefore, right now, it can once again work as a strong resistance. And in fact, it is working as a strong resistance, as we have two major resistance rejections, even after breaking out such a big falling wedge pattern. We are rejected 2 times more by this resistance. Now, if we take a look at the support, then here we have a bounce, here we have a bounce, and previously it was breaking as a support back in at the end of January 2022. This support of 2 cents, it had been breaking as a support in June 2021 as well. Therefore, right now it is again breaking as a nice support. We have a bounce here, we have another bounce here. This time the price line did not touch this support, but likely to gear up from here. If it will be broken down, then the next immediate support will be here, where we have the recent swing low before the breakout, this one, that is approximately at 1.6 cents. But I am not expecting that we are going to test this support of 1.6 cents, because you can see we have also formed a double bottom here and make a very powerful attempt, and this time we are not even touching this support of 2 cents and we are gearing up. Now, if we take a look at the target for this bigger falling wedge pattern, then we can see that the target is here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 7.8 cents, very close to 8 cents. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame on the 4-hourly time frame chart. It has formed this is a 1-hourly time frame chart, and here it has formed this rising wedge pattern. We have several ejections by the resistance, several touch points at the support as well, and as you know, this pattern is considered as a bearish bias, and most of the times it breaks down the support. Now, for example, if it will break down the support, then we can move down to test this support of 2 cents, and you can see that this bottom is also at 2 cents. And if it will break out the resistance, then in that situation our target to the upside will be very close to 3 cents, 2.83 cents. So it is possible that after breaking out this wedge pattern, we may also make a very powerful attempt to break out this next resistance of 3.2 cents. And after breaking out 3.2 cents, I'm expecting that it can soon hit the target of this bigger falling wedge pattern, that is 8 cents. So next few hours are very, very important for linear network, as you can see that that rising wedge pattern is getting more and more squeezed. So at any time it can break out or break down the resistance of support. I'm expecting that it can break out, because we have already broken out a very big wedge from here, and we are also having very, very nice support of 2 cents, and we have also formed a double bottom here, and this time after this drop we did not touch this support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care, goodbye.